The government of Manipur has extended suspension of mobile internet and mobile data services, including VPN services, in 5 districts: Imphal West, Imphal East, Thoubal, Kakching and Bisnupur till April 16 for an additional 2 days with effect from 2 p.m. of April 14. The Home Department stated that the decision follows review of the prevailing law and order situation, which continues to remain volatile in the affected areas. The government expressed apprehension over potential spread of misinformation and rumors through social media platforms such as WhatsApp, Facebook, Instagram, and X, which could lead to mobilization of mobs, public unrest, and damage to life and property. Officials noted that adequate technical mechanisms to effectively regulate mobile data services are still not in place, necessitating continuation of the suspension. However, broadband internet services ILL and FTTH remain conditionally restored in regulated and liberalized manner as per earlier orders.